Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you for watching today's chilly video. The topic of today's video is regarding snowfall versus a dash cam. We'll see if a dash cam works while being in the parking mode in a snowfall season. I was thinking, should I install my dash cam and hardwire it into the fuse box in this winter season, or I should wait until summer, because if the dash cam is in a parking mode at night while it is snow, and what will be the benefit if it's not recording anything and it's just covered with snow? So then I thought, the manhole lids, they are on the street and they are not covered with snow because of some heat. I got the idea from there and I installed the dash cam to see if a dash cam emits enough heat to melt down the snow on its surface windshield in order to record the video while being in the parking mode. And you have seen when your car's engine is running, the bonnet area, the snow melts down over there before it melts down anywhere else on the car. So this was another idea that I got about a little bit of heat can change the temperature on the surface of the windshield or the bonnet, and it can melt down the snow. But if the snow is like this one, like a foot or more than that, like 12-16 inches, that's a huge mess. I'm not sure if dash cam's electric heat that's emitted from the machine is enough to melt down this snow or not. It's tough on me, guys, to take this snow out of this car, so it's a tough cleaning procedure. So we will be talking what I saw one day when I just came out to see my car's windshield, and it was fabulous to see that there was a little hole there on the dash cam. Before we go to the video of that section, I request you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if possible please share it. That would be a great favor to this channel. So going back to our video, this is how it was looking like. Peekaboo, I see you. The cam was playing with snow and it was doing its job through this tiny hole right in front of the camera lens. I can show you in this video how it was happening. Here we go. The dash cam heat has made a hole on the windscreen snow. This layer of snow is removed and melt down at the surface of this dash cam, not only on the front but also for the rear dash cam. They are hardwired into the fuse box and they are running all the time. So guys, kindly tell me in the comment section if we can conclude that if your dash cam is hardwire installed into the fuse box, can it be able to emit enough heat that can melt down the snow on the windscreen in front of the lens or not? Thank you for watching today's video. Have a good time. See you in the next video with some new topics.